Hi there, it's Ernest from Trip Astute. In this video, we're doing a gear review of the Lowepro Viewpoint BP250 AW backpack, which I received for Christmas and used in our recent holiday trip. Backpacks or day packs are a must-have item when traveling. For years, my go-to backpack has been an Osprey day pack that was part of my Osprey Farpoint 55 travel backpack. Osprey makes some great gear and I love the lightweight design of the pack. It's always felt comfortable to wear and I still recommend Osprey day packs for travel and outdoor use. The only problem that I seem to have lately is I'm carrying more video equipment. Between my Canon G7X, my GoPro, and my DJI Spark drone, I seem to struggle to keep it neatly packed and protected. Enter the Lowepro Viewpoint BP250 AW backpack. Fiona got me this pack for Christmas and I used it on our recent trip to Europe. After walking through the streets of London, Barcelona, and Lisbon, I can honestly say that I absolutely love this pack. Besides being extremely well made and high quality, especially with the ballistic polyester material, I wanted to share some of the features of this backpack that I find extremely useful. Number 1, customizable compartment pack. The Lowepro Viewpoint backpack has a compartment in the lower section of the pack that looks like a packing cube. However, it's actually a customizable case that can store all sorts of electronic equipment. The dividers are held by Velcro and even have padded sections for spare batteries. The top fold of the case has elastic bands which are perfect for cables and accessories. I use mine to primarily carry my Spark drone, controller, and spare batteries. However, you can honestly use it for any type of equipment. When I had to go through security checks while traveling and show the contents of my bag, it was so easy to pull out the case and have everything organized. I even had to check the case into security when visiting the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, and it was so easy just handing over my drone case and not having all kinds of loose objects. Also, if you don't want to use a compartment space, you can convert the backpack into a full-size backpack by removing an internal divider and extending the top pocket. Number 2, laptop and tablet pockets. This backpack has 2 sleeves on the side closest to your back. One sleeve is deeper than the other and can easily accommodate a 15-inch laptop. The other can fit a smaller laptop or tablet. Number 3, built-in rain cover. One of the worst feelings when traveling with all your gear is encountering wet weather. The last thing you want is for your gear to get soaked because of a downpour. While you can buy a backpack cover, this one actually has one built in at the bottom. I didn't need to use it during my trip, but it was really nice knowing that I had the feature. Number 4, lots of straps and attachments. The backpack has a lot of straps and attachments on the outside, making it easy to clip or hold any items. This is perfect if you need to attach clothing or a towel that needs to air out. Number 5, lots of pockets. I love the side pocket of this backpack. It's really deep, which helps to secure water bottles. It also has a lot of capacity. In fact, I was able to hold both a GorillaPod flexible tripod and a water bottle in the pocket without any issues. The outside also has discrete pockets, which are perfect for packing my boarding pass. The top compartment also has a netted pocket for important items you may want to keep separate. Number 6, headphone strap. The top compartment has a convenient strap for headphones. While I didn't personally use it, I thought it was a really nice touch, especially if you travel with large noise-canceling headphones. Number 7, padded back and straps. Even though this is a bigger day pack than what I'm used to carrying, it was still comfortable to carry thanks to the padding on the back and on the straps. I'm actually curious to see how the pack performs when I wear it during the summer, but based on the design, I think it'll do really well. In case you can't tell, I absolutely love this backpack. However, there are a couple of cons that you should be aware of. Number 1, no color choices. The backpack only comes in black. While it's not a problem for me, I would like to see more color choices for this pack. Number 2, visible branding. The Lowepro branding is visible on the lower part of the pack on the back side. Lowepro is a well-known and reputable camera bag brand, so it's possible the bag could generate some unwanted attention while traveling. While I would have preferred either hidden or more discreet branding, it definitely was not a deal breaker for me. I honestly feel like this is an awesome backpack, especially for photographers and videographers. The backpack runs just over $100 on Amazon and seems to be rated highly by other reviewers. Do you have a favorite backpack that you use when traveling? Let us know if you have any backpack recommendations, especially for camera gear and drones. We've included a link to the backpack on Amazon. TripAstute does get a percentage if you use our link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us to continue building content for this channel. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Also, sign up for our newsletter on our website for travel tips, news, and giveaways. Until next time, travel safe, travel smart.